How can I help you today, ma'am? What do you want?
I would like that cake, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, and a cappuccino would be awesome.
A cappuccino?
Yes.
Coming right up.
Thank you.
Cheers. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. This is your boy, the coolest boy in Stockholm City. You already know what time it is. Finna go out to IKEA to go get some supplies. With Anna. In Swedish, elevator is called isen. We let our women, because of feminism, they take out the trash. You know, before a man had to go in there, you know, different stuff goes in different barrel. If you don't get it right, you pay a huge fine. She paid $5,000 last week. She kept a milk carton on the wrong spot.
Don't ignore me when I talk to you.
Help!
He doesn't know how to behave and cannot respect other people's time. He's a fucking egoistic mother.
Help! Gee, we're twinning! So guys, she has brought me to IKEA. She said it's one of the biggest IKEA in Stockholm. This looks tiny to me though. Damn, this should be nice for Ambo. Look at Ambo's room with the shack. You prefer I go to the grandma room? Step into my room. Oh damn, the view from here looks nice though. We should get those cabinetries. It's fluid, it has a, you know, nice feel, nice texture to it. But they do look granny though, like something that grandma will live in. Look at the typewriter. I can't remember the last time I saw one of these. Like, what the hell? I think this were used in the courts, like in the courtroom, you know, when the lawyer is talking and you have a lady typing there. Kind of has that vibe to it. This is a dream, right? Yeah. We need to get something like this.
Totally buy 4 of these to replace the other ones we have, right?
Yeah.
These are so pretty. You like them?
What are you gonna eat with them, for real?
Like the things we eat now. Just remove the old ones that we have, the ugly ones, the deep ones.
This place, they kind of look like a decorational piece that you don't actually eat with, but just have them in the shelves.
Don't you like them?
They look good though.
Exactly. We're totally getting them downstairs. Remind me.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Chew, finna get some pots. Get that jollof rice going.
You whip up my appetite.
IKEA is fucking huge. It's fucking huge, fam.
I don't wanna